Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how you can make your ginger and garlic paste and 2 ways you can store them. To my new and old subscribers, a very warm welcome to you, and let me introduce you to the ingredients. Here we have some fresh ginger, garlic, some salt, lemon, vegetable oil. Next, I went off camera to prep them. Yeah, as you can see on the screen here, we are done and squeezing out the lemon juice. So the next step is to transfer all the ingredients into a blender. The salt, lemon, and oil serves as natural preservative. If you are adding salt, you need to be conscious while cooking. It may lead to salt, or you can as well use turmeric. It's more than enough to increase shelf life. The choice is yours. So you can choose any preservative of your choice, okay? Now add in your vegetable oil. This helps in the blending process because we are not adding any water to it. Blend until you get a smooth and nice consistency, okay? As you can see, we are done. It's so smooth and nice. Next, I divided the blended mixture into 2 parts. Started by scooping the mixture into ice cube trays, okay? I repeated this process until I am done with the mixture. Once done scooping the mixture into the ice cube trays, shake it a bit so it balanced well, okay? Now go ahead and cover it up with some foil nylon. Once done, place in the freezer or until it is well frozen. The second method, store the ginger and garlic paste in a glass jar. Once done, top it up with some little vegetable oil and place in the fridge for up to 5 days or until you are ready to use it up, okay? Next morning, as you can see here on the screen, the ginger and garlic paste in a cube is well frozen. Now take it out from the ice trays, okay? And we are done. Look at how beautiful it looks. With this method, it makes your cooking so easy. You can use it to marinate all kinds of meat and seafood. This can be a great flavor booster in all your cookings, your stew, jollof, and more. Try out this amazing recipe. You will love it. Now go ahead and transfer into a Ziploc bag and store in the freezer for up to 3 months or so. If you are watching and enjoying these amazing recipes and you have not subscribed or followed this page, what are you still waiting for? Please subscribe, follow, like, share, and comment to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. Thank you and see you on our next video. Bye.